how to speak English confidently. If you want to speak English, you should know what to do in daily life, as like this, how to speak proper for pronunciation, proper vocabulary. You know what is the best practice for daily life. You want to speak English, then practice daily in life. You want to create more good content in English. If you want to speak English confidently, listen English podcast, listen English news channels for the best videos in English podcast. Native speaker, you will always successful. If you want to speak English confidently, always learn BBC, CNN news, and CNN News 18, Al Jazeera. There is the best news channels for the learning English. So always practice English in daily life. If you will create 1% in your daily life, you in 1 year 61% you will grow. So always practice daily. Never give up. Never complain. Never make excuses in life. You will grow in life.